Most people fail at Faceless YouTube for one simple reason. They treat it like content creation instead of publishing. They upload random AI videos, wait for views, hope for AdSense, and then quit when nothing happens. If I had to start a brand new Faceless channel today, no audience, no income, no momentum, I wouldn't chase trends and I wouldn't guess. I'd build it the same way publishers build assets, with a system, a timeline, and a profit path. On this channel, Publish to Profit, that's exactly what we focus on. How to use AI, automation, and smart publishing to turn content into income. Not just on YouTube, but across multiple platforms. In this video, I'm going to break down a 90-day faceless YouTube system that actually works in 2026. No hype, no theory, just execution. 3 phases: research, creation, growth, and monetization. Let's start building. The biggest mistake beginners make is creating videos before they understand what they're publishing and why. Phase 1 is not about uploading, it's about positioning. Before creating a channel, I'd define one outcome for the next 90 days. Not go viral, not make money fast. Something measurable. 6 long-form videos published, 1 validated faceless format, 1 clear monetization direction. Then I'd move into focused research, not scrolling endlessly, studying intentionally. I'd select 5 to 10 channels in the lane I want. Faceless education, AI workflows, documentary or explainer channels, automation or digital income niches. For each channel, I'd study their top performing videos, how they open the first 20 to 30 seconds, video length, consistency, visual structure, screen capture, stock, animation, overlays. I'm not copying content. I'm identifying patterns that already work. This alone puts you ahead of most people. Next, I'd lock in my publishing angle. A niche isn't just a topic, it's a promise. Example: I help beginners turn AI-powered faceless videos into income using simple publishing systems. That's it. Every video idea must serve that audience, that outcome. Then I'd build 30 to 50 video ideas, a 30-day upload plan, 1 long video per week. Clear topic buckets, tutorials, breakdowns, mistakes, systems, no shorts yet. Long form builds authority and data faster. I share free niche research sheets, video prompts, and faceless channel examples inside my Telegram community. If you want the tools instead of guessing, link is in the description. Now we move into execution. The goal of phase 2 is simple. Publish your first 3 real faceless videos, not perfect, not overproduced, just clean, consistent, and repeatable. First, I'd set up a basic AI production stack. 1 natural AI voice, 1 visual format you can repeat, 1 editing tool you won't abandon. Speed matters more than perfection here. Then I'd structure the 30 days like this. Week 1, lock voice and visuals. Create a reusable editing template. Script and record video. Week 2, edit and publish video 1. Review it the next day. Write down what dragged, what worked, what confused you. Week 3, script, record, edit, and publish video 2. Prove 1 thing from video 1. Week 4, repeat for video 3. After each upload, I'd check click-through rate, average view duration, comments or retention dips. Then ask, what's the single improvement for the next video? That's how channels actually improve. By the end of this phase, you'll know how long production really takes. Whether this fits your lifestyle, if you're treating this like content or a business, inside my Telegram, I drop exact AI prompts, editing structures, and publishing workflows I use for faceless videos. This is where Publish to Profit separates from hobby channels. At this point, you have a niche, 3 videos, real data. Phase 3 is about leverage. Step 1, lock your winning formula. I'd review analytics and identify which video had the best CTR, which held attention the longest, which topic felt easiest to produce. Then I'd write a simple internal rule. My best videos open with __, use visuals and focus on problems. That becomes the base for videos 4, 5, and 6. Step 2, strengthen positioning. I'd look at competitors and ask, what am I doing differently or better? Maybe it's clearer systems, better explanations, more practical automation, cleaner visuals. Then I'd refine the channel promise. I help people publish faceless content that earns using AI and automation. That's a brand, not just a channel. Step 3, add a monetization direction. I would not wait for AdSense. By day 90, I want affiliate tools I already use, a free checklist or guide an email list or community entry point, a future product idea, templates, automation kits, memberships. Nothing fancy, just intentional. This is also where multi-platform publishing comes in. The same faceless video can be repurposed across platforms, and I teach that process inside my Telegram channel as well. Finally, I'd plan the next 90 days. Skills to improve, hooks, thumbnails, storytelling, tasks to outsource first a weekly publishing schedule. That's how you stop uploading randomly and start building an asset. So if I were starting a faceless YouTube channel from zero in 2026, this is exactly what I do. Days 1 to 30, position and research. Days 31 to 60, build and publish. Days 61 to 90, optimize and monetize. Most people never make money because they never build systems. Now, to create a YouTube channel is very easy. Let me give you a quick rundown on how to create a channel and set it up before you drop your first post. Once you're on your YouTube, head over to your profile at the top right side of your YouTube account. You will see Create a Channel, click on it, then add your channel name and click Create Channel. Now on your channel, I'll click Customize Channel, then you can add your description, profile picture, and your YouTube banner. Then hit Publish. After that, click Setting at the bottom left part of your dashboard. Then click on Channel. Under Channel, click Feature. Eligibility, enable all the features by verifying your phone number and your face or your national ID. After this, go back to Basic Info and put in your channel keywords, then hit Save. Then go to Upload Default and click Advanced Setting. Under here, you can add your video language so that whenever you are posting, you don't need to add it manually, it will be added automatically. Then save it. You can also come back to the channel and click on Advanced Setting. Then check No, this channel is not for kids, so that whenever you are posting, you won't need to check it manually all the time. Save this too. With this, your account is ready to start publishing content. Make sure that for every setting you apply, you saved it before exiting that page. If you want prompts, workflows, and publishing strategies that actually work, join the Publish to Profit Telegram community. That's where I share everything step by step. Comment below which phase you're in right now, and watch the next video where I break down faceless niches that actually monetize in 2026.